Imagine earning more than $100,000 a year while making a real difference in people's lives every single day. Sounds impossible? Well, for thousands of nurses in the United States, this is reality. But here's the big question. Can an international student become a nurse in America? How difficult is it? Which universities are the best? And most importantly, how much money can you actually earn? Stay with me until the end, because today I'm going to answer all of these questions and explain the complete journey to becoming a nurse in the United States. Let's begin. Nursing is one of the most respected and in-demand professions in America. Every day, nurses care for patients, assist doctors, operate advanced medical equipment, educate families, and often become the first people patients rely on during difficult moments. As the U.S. population continues to grow and age, the need for qualified nurses is expected to remain strong for many years. So, what education do you need? The most common path is to earn a Bachelor of Science in Nursing, also known as a BSN. This degree usually takes 4 years to complete and combines classroom learning with hands-on clinical training in hospitals and healthcare facilities. After graduating, your journey isn't over yet. Every nursing graduate must pass the NCLEX-RN, the National Licensing Examination for Registered Nurses. Passing this exam proves that you have the knowledge and skills required to provide safe patient care. Once you obtain your nursing license, you can apply for jobs in hospitals, clinics, emergency departments, rehabilitation centers, nursing homes, schools, and many other healthcare settings. Now, let's talk about the dream universities. If you're aiming for the very best nursing education, these universities are among the world's top choices. Johns Hopkins University is famous for cutting-edge medical research and outstanding nursing education. The University of Pennsylvania is home to one of America's oldest and most prestigious nursing schools. Duke University is internationally recognized for its excellent clinical training and healthcare innovation. Emory University has built a strong reputation for preparing highly skilled healthcare professionals. And the University of Washington is well known for producing outstanding nurses and healthcare leaders. Getting into these universities is competitive, but graduating from one of them can open doors to some of the best hospitals and healthcare organizations in the United States. Now comes the question everyone is waiting for. How much does a nurse actually earn? A newly licensed registered nurse usually starts with an annual salary between $65,000 and $85,000. As you gain experience, your salary can increase to $90,000, $100,000, or even $120,000 per year, especially if you work in states where demand for nurses is high. Many nurses also increase their income through overtime, weekend shifts, night shifts, and holiday work. But that's not the end. If you continue your education and become a nurse practitioner, your annual salary can range from $120,000 to $170,000. And if you choose one of the highest-paying nursing specialties, becoming a certified registered nurse anesthetist, also known as a CRNA, you could earn more than $200,000 per year. That's why many people consider nursing not just a profession, but a pathway to financial freedom. Now, if you're an international student, especially from countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, or other parts of the world, you might be wondering whether this dream is possible. The answer is yes. Many international students study nursing in the United States every year. However, you'll need strong English skills, admission to an accredited nursing program, the required student visa, and, after graduation, you'll need to meet the licensing requirements before you can begin working. The journey takes dedication, patience, and hard work, but for many people, the rewards are worth it. Just imagine a respected profession, excellent job security, a meaningful career where you help save lives, and the opportunity to earn a six-figure income while building a better future for yourself and your family. If nursing has ever crossed your mind, don't ignore that dream. Start researching universities, improve your English, prepare your academic documents, and take your first step today. Remember, every successful nurse once started as a student with a dream. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.